Good morning. Good morning, good morning. Yes, we're back again. Kia ora, everybody. Ready to design today, buddy. Why is Boba Fett there? Now, if you've watched the Boba Fett series, there's a scene when he's with those, whatever they're called, doing a carving. He's carving a gaffi stick. And me being a carver and him being a Maori, it just made sense to have him in the starting soon stream. Picture. So yeah, that's the reason why. Pretty much. I did get some mahi done today. So if you were in the stream last night, we prepped the design. We prepped the design last night on an art stream. Feels good, man. So we can just get straight into it today. So definitely, you know, love to see it. Alright, let's go. Let's go. But hope we all had a good sleep or had a good afternoon, no matter what time it is around the world. Today we are designing. We're looking forward to this. Hey, Ultimate. But good morning, everybody. Good morning. Good morning. So we drew up the design last night for both the heads of this piece. It was a pretty chill art stream last night. Yo, JT, cheer my bro. Thank you for the 51 months as a tier 1, my bro. Love to you and the whānau always. Good morning, TikTok. What's up, Cryptic Scott? Cheer, bro. Wait, you haven't seen the carving scene in the Boba Fett series? Yeah, there's supposed to be some like high-tech aliens, and bro, they got chisels like me. I thought that was quite funny. Seeing this alien race with a flat chisel you can get from a hardware store. More than a TikTok. Hope you beautifuls are well. It's 2:05. If you're watching at silly o'clock in the morning, please go to bed. I promise I will post this VOD up straight after the stream. Bit wiggly. Peace and love from the UK. Hey, much love. Much love, innit? But good morning, everybody. Kia ora, kia ora. If you're wondering what we're up to today, we are doing the designing phase of this piece. So we're pretty much in the end game. We're in the end game right now. And this is what our sole focus will be today. Is to design this head. So I want to try and get all of this designed before I go on my honeymoon on Friday. Yeah, I go on my honeymoon on Friday for 5 days. and I'm only gonna be like uploading stuff to TikTok. Well, that's the plan anyway. How did the game go last night? Yeah, bro, got smoked, got some loot, but definitely enjoying Darker and Darker. I didn't realize how fun it would be for me. How do you take out chunks and make it smooth? Have a sharp chisel, that's all. That's all you need to do is have a sharp chisel. Are you like my Gengar socks? Hey, appreciate that. They're actually my wife's. I got them for her 30th. So for her 30th birthday, I got her 30 things. Like from socks to other stuff. She did that for me on my 30th. So I wanted to, you know, do the same thing last year. But yes, in order to have a smooth cut, all you really need is a sharp chisel. That's all. Sharp chisel good, okay? Sharp chisel, very, very good. Kia ora, bro, love your work. Thank you, brother. Where do you live? I live in Rotorua, Aotearoa, New Zealand, on a giant petrified stingray. Thank you very much to Ride on Ray for the Optimus Prime, being our first Optimus Prime of the day and brand new sub to the channel. Welcome on in, my brother, and also hello to Turbo, who's the new viewer to the stream as well. Thank you very much for the Aroha on TikTok as well. Oh, a whale! That's a cool animation. Hello there, Lit on YouTube. Okay, so the plan today, I want to try and get this all designed today. We'll try. We might get it, we might not, but hey, there's no harm in trying, alright? No harm at all. So if you're wondering what this is called, sorry, I'm going to get in you guys' way a little bit here. This is called a manaya. What are you making here? It's called a manaya, so it comes in many different shapes and forms, this particular thing. And well, for this one, we're actually doing two heads for this, because it's for two different people, but they're having the same birthday. Yeah, Nils CDG, thank you for the Optimus Prime as well, brother. Much love to the primers at the moment. Much appreciated for using it on me. Okay. There are going to be moments where I got to move the cameras out the way just so I can maneuver around it. Beauty. But how is everyone? Everyone good though? Hey, much love everyone on TikTok as well. I need some advice. What's up? What's up? Do you make necklaces? I don't, but I want to. Hello from Ireland. Kia ora. Kia ora from the UK. Hey. Mr. Worldwide, darling. That's how I'm feeling right now. Broke up with my girlfriend after 1.5 years together. Okay. Unfortunately, brother, that's just how life goes sometimes. But at the same time, you know, it is gonna hurt. That's just naturally how things go. Especially with commitments like that, you know, for a long period of time. Give yourself some time to, you know, have your moments. But at the same time, when you're ready, this is an important time where you, you know, start focusing more on yourself now and your self-growth. There's just some things in life we can't control, brother. But it's what you do after those moments that counts, alright? That helps you become a stronger person in the long run, is what I'll say to you. So for now, you know, you have your moments, have your moment, and then start thinking about things to help you move forward. Because the number one enemy of the male is our own minds. We sit in it too long and it starts to consume us. And we start thinking, what if? Start thinking about the what ifs and what I could have done, you know, all that kind of stuff. When really what you need to do now is focus more on yourself and your self-growth. And there's times where, you know, we have to do that for ourselves, in my opinion. Yo, SB1231231234 thank you very much for the 290 biddies, brother. Hey, good to see you again, my bro. Definitely a name I remember. And also thank you to Marzipan1029 for the Optimus Prime. Kia ora, bro. Yeah, so that's my advice to you, brother. The brother on TikTok. That is your next move. What are things that help me with a hard time? Well, there's many things. You're watching one. This is what I love to do in life. My kids are another. Hiking is another one. Disconnecting from, you know, the world. That's what hiking does for me. Or just going out and, you know, the old ancient saying of just touching grass, pretty much. Or the gym. Physical wellness, eh? What kind of necklaces do you want to make? I could do bone, but I think for, you know, to keep with what I do, I'm gonna do one's made out of hardwood. I want to make 4 of them and then we'll give them away. Give them away. Well, that's what I want to do anyway. Make them and give them away. Shit. Oh, you gone full-time streaming now? Hey, congrats, Social Club. Love to see you, my bro. Good morning, just sat down in the office in Sydney, keen to start my morning with your stream in the background, keeping calm for a stressful day. Cheers, Budley. You in the office today, my bro? I hope your day goes fast, my bro. So we're making, solid progress. Kia ora from Nonga, Netherlands. Whee! I got a Netherlands cousin in the chat. Yo, Giovanni, thank you for the galaxy, brother. All the way from the Netherlands, eh? Cheer, my cuz. Yo, haora hape, tēnā koe. Hello from the Navajo Nation. What's up, my indigenous brother? Whoop. I sharpen this chisel up, she's cutting like a beauty. So if you're wondering about this design, it's called rape rape. The reason why I'm doing this is because it was the first design my uncle taught me. And as you all know, this was my uncle's commission before I took over. Whoop. Hold. All right. We're good. Yo, Dutch? No. Is it a Maori design? Yes, it is. So everything I'm doing in front of you, when it comes to Whakairo, is all generational knowledge, pretty much. Sorry guys, I'm about to get in your guys' way so I can put this. Whoop. Okay. Yeah, I'm trying somewhat, you know, have a faster pace, but at the same time, you know, keeping the quality. I sound like Sam Suleke. We're trying to keep an emphasis on the cut. It's gonna look freakish. It's gonna look freakish. And the most paramount thing that we're trying to keep is the emphasis of the shape. I love listening to Sam Sulek talk when he's training. Just the way he talks, eh? Has to be the most tribal. I believe all indigenous carving styles of the world are really, you know, beautiful. What is your Twitch, Brooks? If you want, just like every you know, OnlyFans porno bot on Twitter, link in bio. Link in bio, my friend. See, people know that joke. How long have you been doing this? Since I was 12. 12 years old, my bro. And now I'm 32, turning 33 this year. Damn, are me and Duke Dennis the same age? I'm sure he's older. Could be? No, I think I'm older. He's probably one of my favorite content creators from AMP. He's cool. I really like watching Duke stuff. His Manaya, found them in the old book and explain the meaning I've read, but I'm wondering if it's true. I just like the name. So Manaya can represent many different things. So I'll give you three. A Manaya can be portrayed in many ways. Sometimes when, you know, for instance, if you're carving an ancestor and he has multiple Manayas surrounding him, it can represent, you know, his mana, his status. Can also represent how many kids he had. But when it comes to, you know, a Manaya that you wear as a taonga or around your neck, it can be a kaitiaki. A kaitiaki is a guardian that watches over you, you know, as you enter into the world. You know, the world itself has a lot of negativities out there, and that helps kind of ward it off and look after you. Do you recommend anywhere? What's that for? Oh, where to live in England? Oh, I don't know where to live in England. I've never even been there. The only countries I've been to is Aussie and America. anyone in chat a Mac user? Oi. It's a Mac. How did you find your wife? At my good mate's 21st birthday. But we didn't get together then. I added her on Facebook and kind of got to know each other first, and then eventually got together. Yeah. About 9 years ago. And then I decided to marry her and have 2 kids with her. Landscape used to be a tradie last year in landscape maintenance. The sound of your tools is so nice to hear. You sit in the office. Oh, true. Especially in a busy place like Sydney. I could never handle it. When I was in Sydney 2 years ago, and that was only for a weekend. Oh, bro, I could not handle how busy it was. How's the weather there? Very good for washing, my bro. Very good for washing. So the plan is to get all of this. So we want to get our rape spirals done first. We have 5 of them to do, and then we'll come back to the start, and that's when we start filling in all these empty spots. Okay, right around. So that's the plan. Hey Yad, what's up, brother? Thank you very much. Cal? Sorry, brother. In general? Rangers or Celtics? What's that for? Come to Sweden sometime. One of my bros actually lives in Sweden. Funny thing is, I met him through GTA RP, and he watched me through high school. I was like, bruh, way to make me feel old. He's a bit of a rapper. I learned his Swedish rap he wrote as well. I follow you on Twitch. Hey, welcome on in, brother. Do you sell these? I do, my bro. This one in particular though is a commission. Hey man, how you doing? Not too bad, brother. Caleb, how are you? Hey, cheer Thunder. Cheer my bro. Sorry, I went a bit fine the board there for a little bit. Trying to find the board. Bro, I've been looking for your page for months. Hey, what's up, Depth? Welcome on in, brother. Yeah, I went a little bit fine the board there. Sorry about that. Sometimes I have those moments, Shed, where I just get stuck into my work and no talking guy. Man just stops talking. Everyone's still trying to get me to go to San Diego, guys, for TwitchCon. Legendary. Hey, I'm from the States. I hope everyone's well. What's up, brother? How many games of Dark and Darker did you... Only like 3. Then I went to bed. Yo, Escape Death, thank you for the Optimus Prime, my bro. Much love, Lace on YouTube. Kia ora for the Aroha on TikTok. Just want to make sure I try and keep up with everybody. Yo, Joe Buff. Thank you very much for the Optimus Prime and Tech for Sist. Thank you for gifting someone a sub, brother. Thank you, thank you, thank you. What sort of wood do you work with? Majority of the time I like to work with native timber in my country, but there's something even better than native, and that's free timber cuts even better. Even better, my bro. How we doing, TikTok? Are you good? The button to disable standard touch is not disabling, so my hand is screwing with things. Oh, is this like Mac stuff? I always saw all the memes about Macs, eh? Do you get wood donated to you? No, but actually someone does want to donate some timber to me. And that's Olympic rowing gold medalist Eric Murray. He said if I'm ever in Cambridge, he said stop into his house and go pick up some timber. I had to pinch myself when he said that. I was like, man, I watched you get gold at the Olympics. May I add, sorry, correct myself, multiple golds. Where do you get the design ideas? So everything I do in front of you, from design down to the form that I'm doing, it's all generational knowledge that's been passed down. Like all of it, brother. The only thing that might be original that I might do is this contemporary carving that I want to attempt. What out of it, fella? What are you on about, our big man? Love our 5 come. Hey, appreciate you, my bro. Yeah, so everything that I do in front of you guys is generational knowledge. It's not me, it's been passed down. But I am keen to attempt a contemporary carving. I've never done anything contemporary in my life, like ever. It's just been like traditional all my life. Just woke up now seeing your carving again, Leafy boy. Yeah, my bro. We are pushing, my bro. Appreciate all the aroha on TikTok too, whānau. So what I'm trying to do, or my goal today, is to hopefully get this face done, and then we can do the next one tomorrow. But yeah, we'll see how we go today. Nothing's ever guaranteed. It's almost 1 AM. If you are watching at silly o'clock in the morning, please go to bed. Please. Yeah, I don't want you watching me till like silly hours of the morning. I want you to go to bed too. Remember, health is wealth. Would you rather wake up with eye bags or with no eye bags? Feeling lost today? Hey, feel free to come and chill with us, man. Is he real? I eat, sleep and shit just like you, so I think I'm real. He's AI. He's AI. Thank you very much, Julius, and Imvu. I do apologize if I've missed previous gifts as well. Is that Korg from Thor? Nope, not me. I need to watch the latest episode of House of Dragons too. Kia ora from the UK. Yeah, true ruffle. Brooks GPT. You know, I've actually never used ChatGPT. Thank you, Chappelle. Did I say that right? And Josh and Carter. I've never actually used ChatGPT before. Are you getting hot? Oh, it's nice and cold here. I know most of you guys are in summer right now, but Southern Hemisphere is in winter. I ain't gonna lie, I'm more of a winter person than summer. I hate summer, always have. And you know, as the world gets more fucked up, it gets more hot, and I hate summer even more. Just never been a fan of the hot, to be honest. Can't wait to visit them in the future. Hey, love to see it, my bro. How cold is it in winter in NZ? Oh, it's not bad. Like, it does get pretty cold, but I was in a t-shirt last night. That's how much I love winter. I swear, bro, in summer my body always overheats. That's why most of the time I gotta sleep on the floor, because it's the lowest point of the house where it's cold. No blanket, not even a sheet. Just straight, pillow on ground. That's how much, summer fucks my body up. Do you have air conditioning? Yeah, but I hate using it because it's, waste of money, power. The weather is pretty much like that in the UK, just longer summers are shorter, winters even. Yeah, I think I think the summer is longer. I'll be honest, I don't even have the attention span to take notice. Making good progress so far, guys. Love your work. Appreciate you, brother. You are very talented. Oh, just, time. Investing time into something that I love. That's all there is to it. I'm just, got lucky that I found my calling at a young age, and I have my uncle to thank for that. I moved out of home at 16, moved here, when did I move here? I can't even remember. To finish my high school year at a much better high school. Wanted to finish my high school year at a better school, and carried on, doing Whakairo while I was at school too, but in my own time after school. That was the main thing. That was like my main focus in life, was to make sure I kept doing what I love, no matter, even if it, amounted to nothing at the time. The main thing for me was just that I was refining what I knew, getting better. That was the main thing for me. Just getting better. Mastering what I knew and what I was given, and then eventually I carried on my learning at New Zealand Maori Arts and Crafts Institute. very happy with the progress we're making, guys. I get to yap, but at the same time, I'm making progress while yapping. Hold on, guys. Where are we? What video games do you play as of this moment? I just started playing Dark and Darker yesterday. Very, very fun game, not gonna lie. I think the game we've been playing a lot of recently has been GTA RP, pretty much. It's been the main one that I've been playing. I probably won't go back to WoW till War Within drops. I think I'm well and truly done with like majority of the like classic stuff. Hey, much love, brother. Hood Logic. No, I don't play on any OCE server. I'm on NoPixel. What does everyone think I play on Hood Logic? I've heard that name a few times. I'm on the North Island. Tried Final Fantasy 14. Yeah. I need to get back into it because of Dawn Trail. Have you ever played Red Dead Redemption 2? Yeah, I've done all endings. I did a good playthrough and a bad playthrough. So I got the wolf and the deer. The deer first and then the wolf. Will be returned to Aotearoa soon. Yeah, Otta, it'll be coming back here. Have you ever played War Thunder? No, I've heard that name though, that game. The name of that game before, but no, I haven't played it. Not really, my friend, not really. Alright. Oh. Once Human has been pretty fun, just started there. Yo, you should play with Jiggy. She's been like full sending it. Once Human does look like a pretty cool game though. Any reason I haven't started playing it? Because I got no one to play it with. Yo guys, with these BTTV emotes, do they only work if you have the chat on your screen? Is this, isn't this guy the one who said, hi, I got a beard now? No. Do you follow a religion? I just believe in my own people's gods, but I don't really, follow religions that weren't brought here by my own people. Although, there were some Maori back in the day that converted to Christianity. Yo, Thunder, did you see my Discord about my big girl? What is your favourite game ever? Oh, bro, that's actually hard. I'd probably have to say World of Warcraft for the amount of, I won't say time, life I've spent in the game. Yeah, I'll say that. That makes more sense saying that. Thank you very much to Flem and Ahmad, is that it? E mahalo e taku kanaka. I think Red Dead Redemption 2 is mine on console. Yeah, I played it on console too. Yeah, bro. Cause the guy that plays the Tuhoi, one of our Tuhoi tipuna is my cousin. He's someone I grew up with. And I told him and he cracked up laughing. I was like, yeah, hoi. Have you seen it yet, my bro? I got your email, but it said I couldn't view your photos for some reason. I need to give me a water. I'll just do this and then I'll go and give me a water. Thank you, Kai and Isaiah. J. Yo, Jadoom Rays, thank you very much for the Optimus Prime, brother. We're making some pretty solid progress. See that little bit just fling away. Alright, to my House of the Dragons peeps that are watching now. The blacks or the greens? I'm personally with the blacks, to be honest. Where did you learn these skills? From my uncle, but also from a carving institute as well. Upskilling, learning more, filling my cup with more knowledge. Whoop. Slightly going against the grain. Definitely felt that one. Feel like dancing. I still haven't got a coat for Queenstown, guys. I think we're driving to Milford Sound. Oh, is someone being toxic? Who is it? I want to see, because I'm nosy. So all you do is chop wood? Yeah, pretty much. Why is that? What do you do? I'm from Aotearoa, New Zealand. Yeah, I do need a jacket for the South Island. Thank you very much to Dino. Is it Dino Sniffer? Thank you for the Optimus Prime, brother. Thank you very much to George for the galaxy and Harvey for the roses. Knock, knock, knock. Pretty much. This is pretty much knock, knock, knock simulator. Wipes chips away. Knock, knock, knock some more. But if you want to get more in depth, touching wood in the morning. Yo, Sob Salty, thank you for the brand new tier 1 and welcome to the stream, brother. That's all it is in hindsight, eh? It's touching wood in the morning, my brother. Literally. It's always hard. It's always hard in the morning, eh? I'm just being a papega now. Kia ora from the Philippines. Hey, kia ora, bro. Kamusta? Do you collect Pokemon? I'm a fan of Pokemon, but I'll be honest, the most goated generations for me is Gen 1 and 2. Those are hands down my two favorite generations, just because I played a lot of Red and Silver back in the day. That's why I hold those two generations quite high and when it comes to my favorites. Like, there was one time in my childhood where we had got snowed in back in my hometown for 6 months, and luckily I came in clutch the week before because I had this big box of batteries, so I was sorted for entertainment. I don't know how many times I clocked silver and silver and bloody red, but I enjoyed them nonetheless. I really enjoyed them quite a lot. That's why those two generations, are two of my favorites. I'm not gonna lie, I feel like with these newer ones, they're a bit meh for me. And my opinion on humanoid Pokemon was absolutely ruined by my friend Curino, who's a streamer too. Because apparently in the Pokemon world with the humanoid Pokemon, the humans got a bit sticky with the humanoid ones. And that's why I'll never have a humanoid Pokemon in my party ever again. Oh, Sob Salty, thank you for the 10 bomb, bro. Yo, appreciate the Aloha, my bro. If you did get a gifted sub, please, please, please give the brother a thank you. It'll mean the world to me if you say thank you for your gifted. Thank you very, very much, brother. Go. Thank you very much, Sergio and Reckless. Have a Machop is a massive red flag, bro. Now that I look at it, Brock Lesnar looking ass Pokemon. Yeah, that's why I'll never look at humanoid Pokemon the same. It was a book in the Japanese version of, I think it was Red and Blue, and it spoke about like how humans and like the more humanoid looking Pokemon started getting sticky, but like their Fortnite skin situation, When I found that out, bro, I I think I released every like humanoid Pokemon I had. I released them all. But luckily I didn't have majority of them in my party. Oh, Taro, Sir Optimal, thank you for the 27 months, my brother. Kia ora, what are you making today? Kia ora, my bro. What we're doing today is designing this Manaya face with the design called Rape Rape. That's what we're up to today. And with this particular carving too, because there's two faces on it, the other face too, this is going to have a different design. Brox for president, please. No, I'm good. Barely leaves you any time to play games. Yo, Nino, thank you for the brand new tier 1 and welcome to the stream, brother. Kia ora, my bro. If you're wondering what I'm saying, kia ora means hello and thank you. It's a bit of a, you know, versatile word. And, you know, I'll never not say thank you. Because that's rude. Cupid, draw back your bow. Do 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 do. Alrighty. Nino, bro. With the 10 bomb as well. Yo, thank you very much for the aroha, Nino. Right behind Sob as well. Thank you for the 10 bomb once again. Whānau, if you did get a gifted, please give the gifter thank you. Please. Thank you very much, brother. Where are we? Okay, I need another chisel. We're on a good pace. So I kind of want to hold on to that pace. I had an argument with my kids this morning. Because like every morning we you know, we watch morning cartoons. And they were trying to say how today's Beyblades looks way better than the old one. And you know, I was standing on business when they said that. It's like, bro, don't you ever disrespect the blade breakers again. They're like, you used to watch Beyblades. I was like, bro. I was the generation of Beybladers. They made their Beyblades out of bottle tops. It's like, bro, my era of Beyblades is way better than this crap. They're like, no, it's not. And I think we can all agree that season 1 of old school Beyblades probably had the most banger intro out of the whole franchise. Can't be shit talking, my boy Drigger. I was like, hey, don't you worry about that, bro. I was watching Beyblades well before you were around. It's like, look at this crap, they're all knights now. How original. My era, there was a tiger, there was a bloody dragon, there was a seal or a turtle, and a phoenix. Bro, we had it all, bro. Hey, who used to watch the old school Black Jonza? Yeah, that was the most edgelord Beyblade out of them all, eh? Or Black Jonza. Didn't he absorb the Bit Beast when he beat them too? Yo, thank you, Jonathan. And what's that emoji? Pink thingy. Yeah, I remember who was the lion? Galleon, was the name of the leaders, Bit Beast. They led the White Tigers. I remember that other guy who had a bear Bit Beast. I can't remember the name. And did one of them have a baboon as well? I can't remember. I only remember the mains, like Yggdrasil and all of them. Drasil, I think Drasil was one of my favorites. Drasil. I remember that episode when Tyson did that hardcore launching technique with his launcher when he did it that way. How often do you buy new chisels? I haven't bought new chisels in ages. I kind of just use what I have. Carving looks good. Thank you, brother. Yeah, we're just trying to, I want to get this face done today, design-wise. That's my goal. Oh, thanks for hitting sub goal today too, guys. I didn't even realize. My apologies for that. Alright, so what I'm doing is just doing a few adjustments on the inner spirals, because I couldn't do it before because the cameras and whatnot. That's the main thing I try and do is not get in the way of the cameras. Bye, go to bed now, good man. Go never sleep. Good man, brother. Go never sleep. Let's play. Nino, you're good, brother. I appreciate the aroha, man. All good, brother. You look after yourself too. I can't remember if I watched all of the Blade Breaker, all the seasons. I know there was one where they started going from the angle that Dragoon and them were ancient Bit Beasts or whatever, and they were trying to capture them. But my memory's a bit foggy with that, so I mustn't have watched it all. Actually wouldn't mind watching it again, to be honest. Thank you for the aroha, guys. My Beyblades were nothing back in the good days. Whoop. And the team with the bay. Okay. The one that's gonna win. Alright. So what I'm currently doing is you just making sure like the insides of the spiral that you might see, like in here, like we get all the little bits of timber out. That's the plan. Hold up. Thank you very much to Pacific TVT for the Optimus Prime. Thank you very much to Sione, tēnā koe uzo, for the Galaxy, tēnā koe, and Andy Garcia. Oh my goodness. FWY. What does that mean? Give it to me in 90s born terms. I fuck with you? Oh, okay. I see. Sorry, brother. I'm a bit cactus. Andy again. Yo, Andy. Thank you, bro. Hang on, let me just carve this. I don't want to miss anything. Sincerely yours from now until the moment I can't breathe. And if a day changes, it sounds just like a dream, please. I did not miss anything, did I? I find your artwork very satisfying to watch. Hey, I appreciate that, brother. And you know, comments like that really do mean a lot to me, because this is pretty much what I love to do. And getting like little acknowledgements like that makes it all worth it. You know, it makes all the tough times worth it that I went through. Like I did, like when I finished school, I did some jobs that I didn't like, but you know, I didn't mind doing things that I didn't like. In the long run, it was to fuel what I wanted to do. That's kind of how my grandfather taught me, because he was pretty much the closest thing I had to a father figure growing up. I was raised by a single mother majority of my life. My mum pretty much solo carried me. Literally solo carry. And then eventually when she wanted to go and study, it was my grandparents that looked after me when she was away. But the majority of my life, it was my mum who, as I mentioned, like solo carried me. Pretty much. How do you feel about technology taking over things like maybe not exactly milling machines? Andy, again! Thank you, Andy! And engraving Venus and cars. Oh, I don't really care if it can mill me a good piece of timber. Oh, that's all good. I use power tools just to save time. And yeah, I guess it's when, you know, AI thinks they know more than us. then I'll probably, you know, initiate my very own Shrek syndrome. Pull out the pitchfork and tell the robot he's all shit. But at the same time, you know, there's like souvenir shops out there that have like machine carvings, but you can tell a machine carving from a carved one because they look a bit, how's it going, eh? Like they look like a botched Botox job. But you'll only ever find them in, you know, souvenir shops, pretty much. Roy! Thank you, Roy! How much have I received for this? I am receiving absolutely $0. The reason why? So this one was my uncle's commission, right? And unfortunately, he passed away. So it was given to me, one of his former students, aka his nephew, to finish, you know, to make sure, you know, his reputation, his mana is protected. And I told my other auntie, who this commission is for, to give it to my uncle's wife. The finances to help her out. That's about it. The reason why I'm doing this is more so just, you know, for my uncle, because the torch has been kind of passed to me now, and to some of the other students he had, wherever they may be. So that's why I'm doing it. Still on Twitch? Yep, I'm live on Twitch right now. Hold on, guys. Yeah, hopefully my battery lasts a little bit longer. I know my phone, so my TikTok lives is pretty much free on my phone. Yeah, my phone's on its last legs in terms of life, but I've had it since 2018. I might look at maybe getting a new phone soon. I've been an Android Andy most of my life, but I'm thinking of changing to Apple. Thoughts? LW? Roy, bro. Holy cow, brother. You are going ham. W? So is it a W? Thank you very much, Roy. Holy. Because I've been using, you know, jamming my wife's phone. She's got a iPhone and I don't know, I've been vibing with it. I ain't gonna lie. So I think I'm gonna, you know, swap over. Okay, so what I'm going to do now, I'm going to move it just a little bit outwards so I can get in here, okay? Oh yeah. There we go. How's that? Does this guy have, no, I have a wife, I have a wife. I just don't wear my ring when I'm carving. Yeah, I'll be honest, ever since I got these Crocs, I got these for Christmas, like 3 years ago. They're all I've been wearing. I even wore my Crocs to TwitchCon. And then a lot of streamers were like, bro, why are you wearing Crocs, bro? And my response was, why do you care? I like being comfortable. Yeah, I was wearing them in Las Vegas. Unicorn gibbets and all. I asked my daughters, you can bedazzle my Crocs if you want. And I had like unicorns and everything on it. Crocs are comfy, I respect it. Yeah, brother. Bro, no way at you. Hello. How are you, brother? Look at that, guys. We are pumping. I just gotta make sure I get my 10 hours in of TikTok every month. That's the only agreement that I have to do while being on this TikTok program stuff. Guys, so much respect for you. Hey, appreciate that, brother. I'll show respect to you too. Not because you respect me, because you know it's the right thing to do. Your woodwork is great. Keep it up. Thank you, brother. Anything in particular you're making? So what the design we're carving, so we're kind of getting like all the main stuff out of the way first. The rape is the name of this design. It can be a representation of many things, from your fingerprint to, you know, when you throw a rock in the river and you get those ripples, it can represent that. But the main thing we're going for is two entities, you know, coming together to form one, because it's for a joint birthday. So that's the reason why I'm using this design, to further solidify that hononga, or that bond, through this carving. It's really up to them whose side of the room it goes on though. So this is one of the three. So my uncle had finished one of the commissions out of the three, and I finished the last two. This one being the last. The Gengar socks. Gengar. Thank you very much, Chris Lewis, for gifting someone a sub, brother. Love this work, amazing craftsmanship. Appreciate you, brother Chris. My fingerprint look like that. I love the action. But why would you want the police to get? Why are you involved with the police? The only time we should get involved with police is in game. It's alright guys, one more year and GTA will be out. We're counting down to months now. And next thing you know, they go, oh, we're gonna delay it. I cannot wait to play GTA, bro. I am straight gonna do 24-hour stream for that. Legit 24-hour stream. The fuck are you going to ignore me? What? What happened? Wait, is it frozen? Shouldn't be. I still haven't played 5-1. Oh, Elder Scrolls, yeah. Just got, bro, I'll be honest. Even I haven't played GTA 5. And I have the game. Like, I've actually never played the storyline. Ever. I am looking forward to seeing how you have, you know, there's the two characters that you can play. The boyfriend and the girlfriend, right? That's how they're doing it this time around. GTA has a story. Oop. Hold on, guys. Sorry if I'm blocking your view. Didn't I say I was gonna go and get a water like an hour ago? What a guy, eh? What a guy. The goat himself. Cheers, brother. What's that Eminem song? So and so got bit by a spider, but I got bit by a goat. Man, that's a hard line. I really like Eminem's new album. It was weird too, cause like if you listen to it like normally, it's Slim Shady like getting rid of Marshall, and then there were people online that say that said listen to it backwards, like from the last song to the first, and apparently in order it's Marshall getting rid of Slim Shady. I was like, bro, this dude is ridiculously creative. It's crazy, bro. How we legit thought about doing it that way. Like, bro, I can barely think about what I'm gonna have for dinner most of the time. Do you play WoW anymore, bro? I won't be playing WoW till War Within. Pretty much. Yo, Puppy QC, thank you for the 2 months, my Brox. Brox might be the most mentally stable streamer. Huh? Nah, I'm just slow, that's all. Hello from Guyana. Kia ora. From Luxembourg. Eee, I'm from Aotearoa, New Zealand, my bro. Bulavanaka Oli. Hello from Australia. Hey, brother. Thank you, Mystery. Let me just finish this chat and that's all the main part of the design done. song I would love to play while I'm carving right now. AC/DC, Shoot to Thrill. I was slamming some AC/DC last night while I was gaming. Do 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 do. This looks astonishing. Hey, thank you, brother. What are you making? We are carving a manaya. The design we are doing is rapi rapi. We're getting there. We're smashing it out. And we've just got all the main parts done. Now we have to make like an anime episode and do all the fillers. Pretty much. Just here. So we just got to finish this spiral here, clean it up, and then we can pump it from here. How long have you been working on this? I'll be honest, I've forgotten. Hey, what's up, Mr. Mobile? Kia ora, bro. How are you? All right. How we doing, TikTok? Thank you very much. Oh, how do I say that name? Geo Ray? Is that how I say it? Favorite football club? I don't like that sport. Sorry. Catch me watching Union, my bro. Hey, what is my bro? Alright. It's time to fill. Let's go. Thank you, Oliver, for the gifts. How long has it taken you to do this? How long have we been live for? I don't even know. In terms of like the whole piece, maybe like a couple weeks. I can't even remember. Saw you vibing it. One. Yeah, Dark and Darker has been fun, bro. It's been really fun. Just want to say, it really helped me these past few days. I really appreciate you. Keep doing what you're doing and being awesome. Thanks for the stream. Yo, take my bacon. Feel free to speak, like, talk to us too. At any time, brother. I'm no Dr. Phil, my bro, but I'll do my best. Whoop. Almost did a boo-boo. Hold on, chat. Alright, next one. Is he from NZ? Yes, I am. What am I carving? Level 15 Pally now. And Darker, that's a cleric, right? I started playing a cleric as well. Oh, jeez. I think I got to like level 8 last night. Then I logged off. Sabuzo. Where are we? Do you sell your work? I do commissions. Have you tried Once Human? No, but I want to though. I've got it downloaded. I just haven't had any time to jam it yet. Maybe after I get back from my honeymoon I'll play it. Just wanted to jump on and say, hey, thank you for streaming and bringing reflections and joy to people. Appreciate you, brother Aroha. Hey, cheers, my bro. As I always say, brother, with my stream, it's just a little cheeky corner of the internet where people can come and chill out, pretty much. And, you know, Everyone's welcome here. Just not trolls, racists, and people that, you know, wipe back to front. Because that's weird. Where are we? Your work is fire. Hey, thank you, brother. Popping in before I say goodnight. Hey, good night, my bro. Have you played CS? No, I haven't, brother. Not at all. How long did it take you to learn these skills? Still learning, my brother. I believe things in life take a whole lifetime to learn. That's just my thoughts anyway, obviously, you know. There are those that will think otherwise. But for me personally, that's what I think. How we doing, YouTube? You's alright? Gone with the wind, I think. You know what I forgot to do? Let's take a before and after photo. Wait. For the goo ram. How much days have you been working on that? Oh my goodness, brother. I'll be honest, I've lost count. I would say a very, very hefty couple of days. Pretty much, my bro. Yeah, a couple-y. My goal today is for us to get this head done today. This one. That is that's my goal for today. Hopefully we can hit it. Three. So when we get all these outside lines done, that's when we fill in these, you might see all these triangles everywhere. So our job is to fill all of those out. Okay? just a few steps that we have to do in order to get to where we want to be, pretty much. Trying to get as much as I can done for you, TikTok. I know, you know, because my phone battery does not last forever. Yo, Zeppelin Zamboni, thank you for the 2 months as an Optimus Prime, and Archta for the Optimus Prime as well. Kia ora, bros. Hello from Costa Rica. Kia ora. Yeah, this is a commission, my bro. Any tips to new fathers? I think the main things we need to do, you know, when our significant others wake up late nights in order to feed, that also means you wake up as well to baby. Also, like, be there, just be there for your significant other in general. Whether you're changing baby's nappy, doing the bottle, or just burping bubba. Because at the end of the day, you know, no one's ever really for, I'd say, children until it happens, pretty much. In my opinion, anyway. No one's ever really ready till it happens. And, you know, I struggled because, you know, it's the first time being a parent as well. I was very just wary of when baby was sleeping, because you know how babies and newborns, they don't do big breathing movements. And bro, that always got me. Every time. Oh. And against the grain a little bit there now. Here we go. So you can see we're slowly starting to take shape. My sub ends on 9/11 apparently. Oh jeez. I swear, man, I was born in September and all the bad stuff happens in September, bro. Whoop, going against the grain. Kind of wood, it's called Rimu, R-I-M-U. we go. Whew. We're getting there, guys. Hope you all have been enjoying this pump of a stream. Okay. Now we get down to the nitty gritty. The nitty gritty. Okay, what's up, Ezra? Kia ora. I've seen you on TikTok. Hello, Luxud. Now, where are we gonna start? Over here. So now, we fill in these triangles that you see. So that's what we do now. So this is kind of like the final phase of this design. Then you will slowly see it start to take shape. Have you thought about doing similar work on soft metal? Not really, not my thing. This is where my heart is pretty much. Do you sketch before carving? Yeah, we did it last night. Just the design. Go. Next one. Two. Well, we final form engaged, pretty much, my bro. Can I ask how much you might sell a piece like this for? If I was selling it, I've sold things like this between like $7,000 to $1,000. Maybe even more. Hold up. Whoop, going against the grain. Have you thought of selling your pieces and shipping them? I do that. Last piece we shipped out was to Aussie, and before that was to America. One of the viewers on Twitch, he redeemed 1,000,000 channel points and copped himself a free carving. Pretty much. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 is enough. Let's do this side. Hey! Coffee hut, keeping the lights on. Hey Khan, hope you're well, man. Long time no see. Good to see you once again, so. If you haven't already, please go through and give young Khan a follow. A digital artist, Destiny player as well. An all-round good person. Alright. Oh, he did our raid emote. Hang on, I need to take my jacket off. There we go. The master's at work. Hey, cheers, man. Hope you've been well. Yeah, been doing good. Just married life and kids. I'm off on my honeymoon this Friday. Just for 5 days and then we'll be back home. Back into the nitty gritty. Also, only caught a bit of the stream last night. Why was it a late one? Oh, I normally do art streams late. Just so we can, catch up with those that aren't in the time zones that I carve. So I mentioned, like, when the day comes when we finally have our own home or a shed that I can carve in, I don't mind changing up, like, maybe 2 days of my schedule for nighttime carving streams. I actually wouldn't mind doing that at all, because it's a chance to show everyone outside of the normal time zones I carve in what I do live. That's the main thing I don't like about streaming is time zones, because I want everyone to, like, enjoy it pretty much. That's the main thing for me. Hold up, wait a minute. Thank you very much to Kratos, the God of War 22. Thank you very much for the brand new tier 1, brother. Welcome on into the stream. The God of War. Death can have me when it earns it. Man, that was such a hard line, eh? Okay, 1, 2, 3. Next one. Big progress today, innit? 2 in here. Just due to the size. Next one. Taking slowly. Got a look, dogs are going nuts. All good, Khan. Thank you very much for the raid once again, brother. What's the time in New Zealand? It is currently 12:11. Lunchtime. Yo, Plexa 3D, thank you for the Optimus Prime 2, brother. Thank you, brother. Welcome on and everyone that's just coming through from Khan's raid 2. First time popping up in a raid? Oh, hello, brother. Is it Tuesday? Yes, it is Tuesday for me. Hump day tomorrow. I think there's only like 2 more days of streaming for me. I think we're off Friday morning. So I'll try and stream as much as I can before we go to. Because obviously, you know, being away from stream for that long is can be bad for the stream too. But at the same time, you know, it's I think it's a much needed break for me and my wife, just to go and you know, do our own thing. I'll be posting up videos on TikTok while I'm down there though. While I'm down there. Hey, Lukey! What's up, my bro? Where's the honeymoon? So, we've decided to go to Queenstown, just somewhere local for our honeymoon. Instead of spending up large to go outside of the country. Right. I'm gonna go here. Two in here. We're thinking of getting tattoos down there too, just to commemorate, you know, one of many moments together. So I'm gonna be getting in the way here. Sorry. Whew, how's it looking in the camera? Oh, we're getting there. Yeah, the family's good, my bro. Kids finally back at school. Wife's pretty much on leave, so she's chilling right now. And yeah, we're just trying to smash this out before everything goes flat, to be honest. Commercial dive program, got hired onto a marine construction company already. Yo, thank you for the Galaxy PD. Feels pretty good. Damn, let's go, bro. Leveling up, my bro. Love to see it. Love to see it, my bro. So chat, find the board vibes. I think I need to find the board emote. How long you been carving this? Since I was 12, my bro. Now I'm 32, turning 33. I'll turn 33 in a couple months. September. Well, that's not really a couple, but yeah. Go. No, find the board. I'm trying to smash this out for you guys before everything goes flat. It's 2 AM in France. Oh, brother, go to sleep, my bro. The detail is amazing. Thank you, thank you. What do you do with the carvings after you're done? So these will go to the recipients, aka my auntie. She will be taking these for her 2 kids' birthdays. So there's this and there's 2 other carvings with it as well. But now my auntie's saying she wants stands for the hoy, for the pedals. I was like, oh, alright. Just don't play add-ons too much. Okay. This one. No more than 2 for here. keep an eye on their phone because it's going to go 5% soon. Should get a battery pack, and just link it up to the phone so the TikTok lasts a little bit longer. I think that's the play, chat. That is the play. Yo, Alison, you still here? Oh, getting there. Day by day, picking other way. I'm not caving. Lucky boys, yeah, oh, lucky whoever gets it, to be honest. They cracked it. It represents the two individuals that will be receiving this. Oh, it represents that link, to be honest. Not so much. Let me reword that. Not so much them, because they both have the same birthday. Hence the reason why there's two heads to this carving. That's the main reason why. Whew. We're getting there, man. Damn. It's been go, go, go pretty much. How we doing, guys? Bro, I am locked in. Whew. I am locked in, guys. Holy guacamole. Yeah, bro, I'm excited for War Within, always. I haven't even had a break yet, but hey. We got shit to do, man. Hold on, guys. Thank you for the gifts, guys. I hope I've made big enough progress for everyone today, and I hope you've been enjoying it too. Sorry I've been so locked in. I just want you to witness a big progression push. If that makes sense, doesn't it? Okay. What Pokemon do you think would turn into someone snap the finger? What? What Pokemon do you think you would turn into if someone snapped their fingers? Chrissa, thank you for the Galaxy React, thank you for the Kapai, and as of now, my phone is officially at 5%. Oh, TikTok, I really wish I could stay on longer so you could see like the whole thing. But that's all I've got done so far. I don't know if you can see it. Can you? All of that. Yeah, so he smashed a lot of it out. I am going to be finishing the TikTok stream just because my phone's about to die. But if you want to see me carry on, I'm going to be on Twitch and YouTube. So like the porno bots always say, link in bio. So feel free to join my Twitch stream or my YouTube stream, where I'll most likely finish off this face pretty much. But thank you very much for tuning in. Thank you for the crazy amounts of aroha today on TikTok. So feel free to jump over, yeah, Twitch or YouTube. Have a good one. Thank you. And much appreciated as always. Ka kite. Alright. Now we carry on. We'll start carrying on, guys. How we doing, whānau? We all good? Kai te hotonu? Let's finish this face, eh? Let us finish this face. Alright. Just came from TikTok. Hey, what's up, man? Let's keep that momentum going. Oh my gosh. Just came from TikTok. Hey, welcome everyone on in. Right before going to sleep, how are you, man? Yo, Aegon. I'm Aegon Targaryen. I am doing good, my bro. Which word am I using? It's called Rimu. R-I-M-U. Talk smack about TikTok, eh? Go. That's done, that's done. We just need to do... I'll do one more one here. Just because 2 seems a little lazy, that's all. Made some mad progress today, chat. Absolutely love to see it. Absolutely love to see it. Okay. Go in here. Hey, what's up, Nicatude? Cheer, my bro. Kia ora, my bro. Hope you're well. Okay, let's do here. Again. There we go. 1, 2, 3. Sorry, find the board. Oh, I'm gunning a chat. Looks great. Hey, thank you, brother. Kia ora from Perth. Thanks, man. Hey, che, Ewan on YouTube. Yeah, I just finished the TikTok stream. Just finished that up, and now we are just on Twitch and YouTube for the rest of the stream. One. Two. Hey, chill, bro. Found the YouTube. All right. Here. Go. One. Two. What do I have to do to what do I have to do what you're doing? Be Maori? You know what I mean? No matter where you hide. True, my bro. Yeah, Maori wood carving, brother. Banging this out, guys, and then that's the last section we got there. Alrighty. Last section. Let's frickin' go, bro. Boom. Is it quite dark for you guys? Hold up, wait a minute, something ain't right. Hold on, guys. Hoy sole. Whew, have you replaced your tools or do they last? So my uncle always told me that our tools can last us as at least 20 meeting houses. Now meeting houses that take about a year to make, so that's, you know, the estimate time span that they have. Sorry, I gotta move these over. go. Whew. Feels good, man. I ain't even gonna lie, chat. Feels good, man. Yo, handsome, thank you for the 2 months, my brother. Thank you very much, good sir. We are about to finish up on a design. No mai hoki, my bro. Welcome back. Welcome back, my bro. Alrighty, there we go. We've got most of them jotted in. And that looks good. Thank you, brother. Hotstand Chill, thank you very much for the raid, my bro. Welcome on into the stream. Kia ora, my name is Brox. I'm a traditional Maori woodcarver. And we are just finishing up a design we started. How many? Oh, I don't even know how many hours we've been live for. I don't really have any indicators on the screen. But we are pretty much in the thick of it. One, two. Been live for 3 hours. Oh, true. And I still need to go out and look for some stuff for the bloody honeymoon. Whew. We are slamming, chat. We are slamming. And the laptop just indicated that it's flipped. Oh, jeez. Whew. Give me your energy, chat. Oh man, my back is screaming. I'll be with you shortly, chat. I never tell them to take to create a carving. It kind of depends, really, how much like time I put into it. Like obviously online they do tend to take a little bit longer than as opposed to, you know, doing it offline. But I prefer to do it online because, you know, I've got someone to talk to. Got someone to yap with. Straight yapping. Oh man. What's good? What's the good and bad thing? The good things about our country? Probably the scenery. Bad things? Government, housing. Everything's expensive as fuck. Those would be the negatives. We're almost done. Dang gum, bro. Yo, thank you very much, Bitter Yeti, for the Optimus Prime, brother. Man, appreciate all the love today, guys. I'm glad I could, smash this out for you guys in one stream, too. Pushed a little bit too hard there. Saved though, saved. Alright, carrying on, carrying on. Oh, jeez. Wicked looking nice. Thank you, brother. Yo, Red Bears, thank you for gifting someone a sub too, partner. Absolutely destroyed the sub goal today. Absolutely destroyed it, brother. Thank you for saying thank you too, bro. That's huge. That is absolutely huge. Thank you for saying thank you. For your gifted. Okay, well, one more. And it's there. Let's go, Chad. ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to ask you for the time real soon, so I know how long it took us. Whew. How are we holding in there, Chad? We all good? Sorry I've gone silent so many times. I just really wanted to smash this out today for you guys, and I think we have, to be honest. And time. How long stream been on for? Time, please. No one? Oh, 3 hours and a bit. Okay. Let's go. Let's go chat room. Whew. It's done, bro. One head done and dusted. Oh man, we did it. Oh, my back hurts. We actually got it done, peoples. Let's go. And with this damn battery going flat up and down. Let's go, Fano. Finally did it. Oh man. I went concentration mode quite a lot there. I'm not gonna lie. Kua ea nā mahi. Eee. Cheers to everyone that has been watching since from start to finish, pretty much. But definitely feels good. Feels very, very good to get this done. Oh, my boy Hosi Lala is playing Dark and Darker now. Let's go, let's go. Oh man. Feels good. It feels very, very good. Lots of people getting into it now. Yeah, it's a fun game. I definitely think it's a fun game. Oh man, feels good, Fano. Feels good. Feels very good. Obviously, there's little 1%ers in here, but I wanted to get like majority of the like general stuff done. Hey Sicarius, thank you for the 33 months, my bro. Thank you very much, brother. What do we get to today? Surely we 47 out of 30. That's crazy. Well, Fano, we smashed it out. I think with that being said, I am going to finish here. Thank you very, very much for tuning in for the whole entire stream. Thank you to those that are gifted subs, subbed themselves, and resubbed as well. Absolutely smashed the daily sub goal. Oh man. I'm buzzing. I'm just happy we got that all done in one stream. Hence the reason why I knuckled down a little bit. Okay, let's look for someone to raid, eh? Who shall we raid? Hey, cheers, Nicotine. Alright. Trying to figure out who to raid. Yeah, let's just raid Hoss. Alright, have a good day. I'm gonna raid my boy Hossy. He's playing Dark and Darker. Thank you very much for tuning in. Sorry I'm not on the camera, my back was screaming through that whole thing. But I'm glad we got it done. I'm so happy we got it done, Fano. For now, go show some love to my boy, and I will see you all tomorrow, okay? See you. See you later.